future. Because you see, future is always it is emerging, as we know very well, because of entering into technologies. We are entering into technologies, and technology has given us many things to start our research, to study, to operate, to I mean to say explore many things, because digital transformation significantly impacted on our research, we are very much believing, and we are very much emerging with all those things, including cloud computing quantum technology, artificial intelligence. So many things are there. So looking into that, let us understand what are the new frontiers in research in context of engineering, science, and law. So engineering and science is known as the heart of technological advancement. So when we are talking about the heart of technological advancement, because they have created artificial intelligence, biotechnology, renewable energy, all those innovations they have adopted, they have given to the society, and they have changed the industries, and they have changed the entire world by their innovations. When we are talking about law, law is the crucial in navigating all those advancements in ethical and regulatory framework, because unless until the innovations, I mean to say, reshaping strategies cannot be operated through ethical and regulatory framework, then it will become a challenge in future. So law has got its own contribution in the field of new frontiers in research. And when we are talking about management, the management is a subject which is very much emerging to make a kind of like coordination, management of all those technological innovations, to develop the practice. We need to drive sustainable business practices and the value creating strategies, and globally can be connected because of emerging management strategies. Then when we are talking about humanities and social sciences, you see why humanities and social sciences are critical. Because you see, resources are always limited. Resources, what we are using are always being considered is limited. Because you see, we must learn 9 R's principle. What is 9 R's principle? One principle is reduce. We must reduce the use of resources. And reuse, we must have technology for reusing those resources. Then recycle, recharge, rethink, reroute, repurpose, as well as rejuvenate all those resources for the betterment of the society. Social implications of the technology is required for getting a greater change. So looking into that, the entire, I mean to say, the artificial intelligence is playing a very important role. When we are talking about artificial intelligence, you might be knowing it was started in the year of 1950s. When a computer scientist started exploring the possibilities, he asked a question, can machine think? So from there, the artificial intelligence started taking birth, and now we are taking the help of all those things. And when we are talking about this kind of like social sciences, it is highly based on data driven. Now we are saying instead of social science, we are saying that it is a data driven sociological research. So what is the need of this kind of research? This kind of research is very important, because you know very well it offers more precise and timely insights into the societal issues and policymakers to make informed decisions. Because you see, the platforms like your X, Facebook, and other social platforms, they have got they are providing many data, many information, to us. But thing is that we would like to study how misinformation, public sentiments, and social movements are taking place. So that we have to we have to look into that. Based on that, the data-driven sociological research will be fulfilled. There is a diagram I have shown. There is a pyramid. You can look into that. You can take a screenshot also. And looking into that, the second part of the social research is behavioral economics. So behavioral economics has become a very popular term now, because you see behavioral economic has taken birth because of economics and psychology. So when we are you know very well that both the subject, when they will be merging, then behavioral economics will be taking place, will be taking birth. Because you see, unless until the behavioral economics could be studied properly, it is very difficult on our part to study the cognitive biases which affect economic decisions. There are so many cognitive biases, because you see it impacted directly to different organizations, government policies, government strategies for better policies, and that policy or products to align with the actual human behavior. You see, we should not go for such type of product, such type of innovation, which cannot be aligned with the human behavior. So human behavior must be aligned with the innovations. So with this, we are also very much acquainted with the new frontiers of humanities. We are not talking about humanities. We are talking now, it is digital humanities. So digital humanities, how the humanities could be taught digital humanities? Because you see, digital humanities is the center of humanities, information technology, and other disciplines. When we are talking about other disciplines, that may be archaeology, maybe political science, maybe educational science, maybe social science, maybe journalism, maybe geography. These are the other, I mean to say, disciplines. Those are directly connected with the human science. And when we are talking about humanities, it is applied like language teaching, translation, academic writing, and all those things, literature, history, anthropology, all those things are coming under humanities. And when we are talking about information technology, that is like artificial intelligence, database, data mining, data archive, big data, visualization, AR, VR. So all those things are coming. So when all those things are coming together, then only the humanities can be told digital humanities, because it has got a very expanded access to the crucial heritage and new forms, which is very much acquainted with the new form of research and public engagement. And again, we are talking humanities as environmental humanities. So environmental humanities is a kind of like studies. This highlight the importance of culture perspectives in addressing environmental issues, understanding the ecological crisis. And next, management. So nowadays, one term, one kind of like a very buzzword, you can say, that is agile project management. So when we are talking about agile project management, so nowadays most of the organizations, they are managing the project in a very fast-paced environment. So it believes this kind of like approach believes collaboration, flexibility, rapid response to change, making it particularly suitable for global teams facing various complex challenges. So these are the beauties of agile project management. This is the new frontier in management. So we should go with such type of researches. And it has got a direct impact how the team work from different corner of the globe. Different teams are there. They are taking one agile project and they are managing from different corner of the world. And they are leading very efficiently to complete the project within the time period. So this is now time has come. We must understand the new frontiers, the new phase of research. And apart from that, we are very much acquainted sustainability business management. This is the most important aspect because you know very well, according to the Composite Water Management Index, CWMI report, 75% of water has become contaminated in this world. Why? Because we are talking about sustainability, but when it comes for implementation, because of our kind of like ambitious kind of like approach, we are destroying the nature. So without destroying the nature, without disturbing the nature, if at all we are developing our innovations, our technology, our strategies in such a manner, so that what will happen, the sustainability in business management will become possible, and it is the new frontier of our research. We should not go research for business management. We should go for research on sustainability in business management. So because you see, when we are talking about sustainability in business management, the leader or the leading term of sustainability business management is circular economy, sustainability chains. So there are so many important areas which is very much important, which are very much covered under sustainability business management. These are the new frontiers. And apart from that, we must know how to make research focused organizational behavior, innovation management. And apart from that, we must see how the scientific research could be taken, could be utilized for different purposes. You see, artificial intelligence alone, as I told you, is taken birth in the year 1950 when a scientist told that can machine think? And it was like Alan Turing. He is the person he started telling all those things. And now it has been experimented in 1980 to 1990s. AI explained the machine learning. AI explained about the deep learning. AI explained about the other peripheral aspects. But it has been experimented is 1920 to 2020. That is it possible that with artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and deep learning, these three very deeply advanced terms, can it be operated individually? Can it be operated alone? Then only the term, I mean to say, quantum technology came into the screen to give them fuel, to give the objective of artificial intelligence in research. So quantum computing technology came to the screen. So now the market of quantum technology is very vast. USA, Canada, German, Japan, South Korea, China, they have already started working. India is also in the queue. India is also doing all those things. So with this, I must tell you that when we are going to do research, we must see how humanity and technology both can be run together. And I believe that if at all this type of seminars could be conducted regularly by EduScare Research University, and it will give flavor not only to the new ideas, but also it will give a scope to the speakers, to the listeners, to the researcher, to the experts to interact about the recent research in social sciences, humanities, management, which is very much critical in looking into the current scenario. And because we know very well the environmental sustainability and the organizational behavior is very, very important for all kind of development. And I believe that whenever we are talking about different subjects, different I mean to say, areas, how this will be, the research has already been changed by adapting different technology. So many other speakers are there. They will be talking about this. And I must believe that this conference would give you a very, I mean to say, important learning place, and you will be interacting, you will be learning, you will be listening from different speakers. And I must extend my thanks to Eduska Research University for giving me this opportunity to share my views within a very limited time period. And I must extend my thanks to the listeners, to the participants, to the experts, to the scientists, those who have been connected in this platform. Thank you very much.